Good morning, boys and girls. We are on page 8, lesson 2, homework. Please make sure you are turning to correct page. Remember that we are on module 4. So, the first question here says 1. Draw a picture to show the division. Express your answer as a fraction. So, the first thing I'm focusing on is 1, they're asking me to draw a picture, and 2, they want me to write it as a fraction. So, that's what I'm going to do. The first question I have here is 1 divided by 4. So I have 1 divided by 4. Remember that this bar right here, the fraction bar, is considered the division sign. So it is the same thing. So all we're doing is we are writing it vertically, up and down. So we have 1 divided by 4. So that means that one piece is shaded and there are 4 pieces in all. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces in all, and one piece that is being shaded, this purple piece right here. Remember that the top number is called the numerator and the bottom number is called the denominator. Now for our letter B. We have 3 divided by 5. Again, I'm writing 3 divided by 5. 3 pieces are being shaded in, and 5 pieces is how many I have in all. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 3 pieces that are shaded, and there are 5 pieces in all. Now for problem C, we have 7 divided by 4. We know that there are 7 pieces that are being shaded and 4 pieces in all. So it's going to look a little different. Notice that I drew one whole piece that is shaded, and there are 4 right here, and then I drew another piece that has 7 shaded in all. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Why is that? So if I were to solve 7 divided by 4, 7 would be the number that goes inside and 4 would be the number that goes on the outside. On my divisor, my 7 is my dividend, so now I'm dividing. 4 can go into 7 one time because 4 times 1 is equal to 4. 7 minus 4 is equal to 3. So I know that my remainder is 3 and my denominator is 4. So I have 1 and 3/4 pieces, and that's what you have here. 1 and 3/4 pieces. Now for problem 2. Using a picture show how 6 people could share 4 sandwiches. Then write an equation and solve. So this is my 6 people. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I have 4 sandwiches. Imagine these are sandwiches. 1, 2, 3, 4 sandwiches. And right here they tell me that I have 4 sandwiches and 6 people. So I'm dividing 4 sandwiches divided by 6 people. 4 sandwiches divided by 6 people. So that would be my expression and my division equation. So how many pieces do each person get? Very good question. If I were to divide all of these pieces into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, then I notice that I can give each person a piece, an equal piece for every single person. But how many pieces? I have 1, 2, 3, 4. So each person would get 4 pieces. So cut each sandwich into 6 pieces, and each person will get 4 pieces. Now we're going to turn our page, and we are on page 9. On page 9, it asks us to fill in the blanks to make true number sentences. So just like what we did earlier, we're going to make sure that we're writing our division problem or equation into a fraction. So right here we have 2 divided by, that's our fraction bar, divided by 7. Over here we have 39 divided by 5. Over here we have 13, which is the top number, divided by 3. We always start at the top and then we go down. Right here we have 9 divided by 5. Over here we have 19 divided by 28. Over here we have 1 3/5, and we're trying to figure out how do I write an equation for that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to change this into, because if you notice it's a mixed number, so I'm going to change it into an improper fraction. To do that, I'm going to multiply 5 times 1, which is equal to 5, and 5 plus 3, which is equal to 8. So now I have 8/5. So now I can write my fraction or division equation of 8 divided by 5. And that's all for today. Let me know if you have any questions in class.